picture designers, welcome to Vision Crafty Design Studio. I am here to teach beginners the Canva tutorials step by step to make attractive designs for your client. So let's start. First, go to Google, search Canva, click on the Canva website. So after opening the Canva website, you guys see that there is a search option. Search here the template you need. Like I need a poster template, so I search poster and choose the blank template. Here is the tip for Canva users. If you are going to add picture in your design, choose it first. For choosing picture, go to the uploads, click the upload files, and once it's uploaded, add it. After adding the picture first, Canva offers a color kit for design. So you choose the colors combo for your design easily. Okay, let's move to the next step. After selecting your picture, choose a color for your background. Like I choose the olive. Let's set it boundaries. Go to element, search shape, choose a semicircle. Place on two corners of your design. First one is on 90 degrees. Then duplicate it and add it on 180 degree. Match the size of both corners. If you think you're gonna look so blank, so add the pattern on the corner of your design. Again, go to elements, search pattern. Like I search food pattern, choose any one of them, add it on both semicircles. Flip it. So after choosing your pattern, add it on corner on the semicircle. Transparent it. Like I transparented 50. I think it's look better. After transparency, add it on another semicircle, flip it, and it's done. Alright, so next rotate the picture and set it in the center. Give the brand name and tagline. Make sure to visible it. First, add the brand name. Like I add Crunch Lab. After adding your text, set it font size and its color. Let's add it subheading like a tagline. Choose the font size and font color from your color kit. Make sure your font color match your poster design's color. Let's choose the font style. Make sure your font style will be same in the whole poster. Select your text boundaries and its location the way you want. So at the end, the last thing, getting your all design context elements and its text. For setting it layers, go to position, tap on the layers, and adjust all the elements, all the patterns, and all the pictures and context the way you want. Set the position of the picture you choose in the center. Before ending the video, just get a bit information about your projects, exporting or saving. Click on share, choose your file format. If you use your project for Insta, TikTok, or any website post, download it in the PNG form. If you share it to your client, download it in the JPG form. So future designer, here is your complete project tutorial. Make sure to like the video, comment if you want to know how to get transparent background picture. Also subscribe my channel to get notified about the new design tutorial. Bye bye, let's meet in the next video.